Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway from the Gardening Products Review. Today we're reviewing bypass pruners. The first one that we're looking at is the Felco F-7. What makes this pruner unique is that it has a rotating bottom handle for two reasons. One, it reduces blisters while you're cutting for long periods of time, and it also reduces the amount of hand pressure you actually need to make a cut. The other interesting things about these particular pruners is that it has what's called a volute spring. These particular springs are designed so that debris does not get in them and clog them up. These are made in Switzerland. They are one of the most copied pruners on the market today. This is a professional grade product. I've had these for over 10 years and they're still cutting perfectly. They are fully adjustable through a mechanism here. There is a locking pin mechanism over here that keeps them closed. One other thing that I did want to mention is that there's bumpers inside the actual mechanism themselves, and this is so when you're cutting a piece of material and you cut down through it, that the actual pruner themselves will hit the bumpers and not create a lot of shock when you're finishing your cut. One of the other interesting features about this handle is that they're ergonomically designed so that your thumb and hand fit perfectly into the pruner themselves. The upper handle is coated with a sort of plastic rubberized type material, so that has excellent grip. The bottom handle is more of a plastic piece, but it still has excellent grip for both using it with gloves and without. Other than that, I can say that these happen to be my favorite pruners. I've had these for 10 years, still going strong, and I think I'll have these for a lifetime.